Well, get your wooden stakes ready. We're going vampire hunting because today we're going to be making vampire blood. So I started with an old essential oil bottle, and you can also use a plastic bottle because it'll look the same once it's painted. And I found a cork that would fit into it. Then I soaked the bottle and peeled off the label. Then I took some black metallic paint and covered the entire thing in the black paint. It was kind of a dark bottle anyway, it was dark brown, but I really wanted the opaque paint to hide the interior. So I used metallic paint to keep the shine. While that was drying, I took a piece of brown packing paper and cut that into a cool shape. I loaded a sponge with some dark brown paint and dabbed that all over that piece of brown packing paper to give it kind of an aged look. And then I singed the edges by lighting them on fire and blowing them out really quickly until I had the whole thing blackened. And then I just took a black marker and wrote vampire blood in kind of a half cursive, half calligraphy script, and I used the Y spelling of vampire because I thought it looked more archaic. So there's my label. And now that the bottle was dry, it was nice and opaque. So I took it outside, lit a red candle, and let the wax drop all over it. I found that if you can get the drops of wax to hit right where the bottle widens out, then it will slide all the way down the bottle and look like nice little drops of vampire blood. And so there it was after I had my dried wax dripped all the way down the bottle on all sides. So I put the cork back in, put a little bit of glue on my previously made vampire label, and popped that right onto the bottle. And so then here is the finished vampire blood bottle. And then it goes back onto its shelf with all of its little friends for my potion bottle collection. And I will be showing how I made all these bottles.